Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can save your videos created in CapCut apps to your gallery. So it's super simple. After you finish editing the video, for example, after you finish editing the video, you are just going to click the export button in the top right corner here, and this is exporting, and you can click done. So exit and go to your library, and this created. Alright, so simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.